Hi friends, it's me your host, Animator. Today, I am going to show you a very simple trick. This is a very easy trick. By this trick, you can surely gain subscribers, likes and views. So, I will request you to see the video till the end. Because, if you don't see the full video, you cannot use the trick properly. Most of you see my videos, but you don't subscribe my channel. Please subscribe now. In today's trick, I am giving you my WhatsApp group links. I have 8 WhatsApp groups. You all will just enter the group by the given link. The links are in the description box, and I am showing you the rest of the processes in my mobile screen. Wait. Don't click the WhatsApp links now. At first see the full video, then join the groups. So, after joining the groups, oops.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I forgot to show my intro. Let us go to my mobile screen, just after intro. So, after joining the groups, you will just share a link of your video in the group. When I shared my video link, in this group you can see, within a few minutes someone messaged me and shared his video link. If someone do it with you also, then, you will also share a video link, and send a screenshot of his channel after giving a like, and subscribing his channel. Then, you will go to the group members section, and you will share a video with all the members of this group, individually. You will just message them and send your video links. Below the video you have to write sub for sub and be permanent. Here you can see what I have written. But remember that, you will join all the 8 groups, and do the same trick in all the groups. The group members may send many messages. If it disturbs you, then just mute that group. Now, go and join all the 8 groups from the description box. So friends, by using this WhatsApp groups you can gain subscribers, views and likes. But the matter of fact is that, some members may unsubscribe you. But don't worry, most of the members are really honest subscribers. So, friends, give a like, if you have come up to this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And also give your opinion in the comment box. Okay, goodbye friends. See you all with a new trick very soon.